Hi, I'm Joan Lok. Some of you has requested to do a pomo on Shikishi board together. So in my next workshop, we'll be doing that. Shikishi board is a piece of board that with rice paper or the like that are mounted on a support ready. And then we are going to use the approximate around 10-inch size. And we will be working on using watercolor and doing it on the gold, silver, or rice paper board. So in this particular workshop, I'll show you the step-by-step how to create very majestic, powerful painting with lots of watercolor on a technique called pomo on the silver or gold board, but then we can also do it on the rice paper board as well. Some of the sample could be to leave the gold off the paper or completely cover it. Or we can also do it on silver and then finish it later with artwork or adding things that you may create into from an abstract to a representational painting. So if you are interested to join me and do the pomo together, it will be a workshop that we will work on the Shikishi board, gold, silver, and paper. So I hope you will join me in the upcoming workshop working on Shikishi board in the pomo technique. Thank you. Bye-bye.